Hi, fifth graders. Welcome to your first lesson for math of the 2020-2021 school year. Our goal today is to name some unit fractions, but before we do that, I thought we would do a little bit of a review, and we're going to review how you would name a fraction. So here we have a pie. Maybe you want to think of it as a pizza pie, or it's red, maybe a cherry pie. And the red pieces are what's left. The pieces over here have been eaten, sadly. So we want to name this fraction. Well, you know that with a fraction, there's usually a bar, and I'm going to be writing and clicking with my right hand, even though I'm left-handed, so it's going to look a little sloppy. But you've got to figure out how many parts are there. And if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, there are 8 parts. And that becomes our bottom number of our fraction, which is called the denominator, right? And then the number, we're going to name the numbers of pieces that are left in our pizza. So that's going to be the numerator. And you see there's 3 pieces here. So 3/8 is my fraction. A little bit sloppy, right? Okay, so let's erase that. Get rid of this. Whoops. Oh, got to put my marker down, just like the smartboard. Get rid of this. Okay, so sometimes we see fractions modeled in pieces like this that are bars. And here we've got a bar. It's kind of maybe like a candy bar. Imagine a giant candy bar of your favorite. Probably not very many blue ones, but maybe a giant piece of Laffy Taffy. And it's cut into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. So if we're talking about the whole thing, there's 6 pieces, right? Oh, we gotta erase that line. There's 6 pieces, so that'll be our denominator. And if we're talking about the whole thing, it would be 6 out of 6 pieces, or 1 whole. Okay, let's say we're going to talk about just one of those. One of those would be, oh, it's not going to let me write now. One of those would be 1/6. Like that. Oh my goodness, I cannot write with my other hand. You ought to try it sometime. If I add in another one, then it would be 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6, 6/6. Have been shaded. Okay, let's just do one more. I gotta put my paint bucket down. And erase. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do a big purple one. Let's do 12 pieces. I'm going to make this really big. So because there's 12 pieces, you know that the 12 is going to be my denominator, right? And the numerator is going to be how many are shaded. So I'm going to shade some of these, and you can tell me how many there will be. Sorry, I've lost my mouse. There we go. So how many are shaded purple? And if you said 5/12, you were right. This is just kind of like my smartboard. Okay, so if you like that game, I've got another game listed on our website that you can play, just for a little bit of practice. All right, so I'm going to end this recording, and the next thing you're going to do is you're going to watch actually the lesson recording. And then when you get done with that, you're going to do your homework, and if you have extra time and you want to play the game, by all means play the game. Looking forward to talking to you soon. Bye.